This is stop, new stop, cutting down some bushes. See, I already did that one right there. Cut it down a little bit lower. Got this one right here. This one here, this one here, and these two right here. And then after that, get up these this mulch, and that's it really for this one. No cutting grass, just getting bushes and stuff. Chainsaw. Yep. But anyway, I'll show you the end results. That's how it looks so far. Sure, they ain't big enough to get all of it up there, but cut that down low enough. Any lower, need a thicker chainsaw. When I got the blades started going, I probably could use it, but the blades were dull on me. I don't have any other blades. And as you can see, it's raining, drizzling out. My glasses. But anyway, it's weeds in there. Cutting that one down over that one. Yeah. Oh, this over here. Yep. But now, might have to come back tomorrow because it's starting to rain harder. And I think it's gonna stay that way for the rest of the night. But anyway, have to come back tomorrow probably to clear this out. You know, it's easy right here. All I gotta do is really just lift it up. Yeah, lift it up really. Whatever's underneath it, but lift it up. Same thing with over here. Yeah, clear all that up right there. So yeah, I might have to come back tomorrow to get the rest, because it's starting to pour down. And yeah, look at, yep. But yeah, got all this up there so far. Got my tarp to cover it up with, so what I gotta do is put my wheelbarrow on top and put the strap on it to hold it down. Probably use my ladder too, but yeah, chainsaw here. When I was starting to cut one of the stumps over there, chain popped off a couple of times, and I got tired of open it back up and put it back up there. So yeah, just gonna get a new chain. Probably finish trying to cut that tomorrow, because it's not supposed to rain tomorrow, so they say. But yeah, anyway, that's how it looks so far. I'll let you see how it probably look next time. Alright, peace.